Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be clarifying a misconception in Yoruba religion. In general, African traditional religion. The misconception is that many people feel that traditional believers worship idols. Now, let us break this down. Idols, as far as a traditional religion is concerned, is just like an image that represents the particular orisha or the particular deity that is being respected. Our ancestors that came years back, before slavery, in the past, a long time ago, that came to the rescue of our people. Like in Yoruba land, we have many of them. For instance, like Shango, like Oya, Oshun, Ogun, and the rest of them like that. They came, they lived with us as humans, but when they died, the followers, the lovers of, for instance, Ogun or Shango began to respect them. And when you respect, you honor. Why do we immortalize? When we say we immortalize someone, immortalization means that the person is dead, but you still want that person to stay in your memory for life. So it is the same concept in Yoruba religion or African traditional religion. We value our ancestors so much. We value them, and we know the ones that helped. Take for instance, Jesus Christ. Though some people say Jesus Christ is Lord, while some say Jesus is Son of God. But based on my own understanding of who Jesus is a prophet. He was sent by God to talk to his people, to liberate his people, and to save his people. Even in the Bible, it says, I was sent only to the lost sheep of Israel. So that is for you to know that Jesus was a prophet when he came. Now, the same way in churches today, we have image of Jesus in many of the churches around, where people have the image of Jesus, or in some other cases, the image of Mary, the mother of Jesus. So when you say Yoruba religion followers worship idols, it's the same thing. It's the replica of what Yoruba followers does. It's the same concept. It's the same concept of what Yoruba followers do, or African traditional believers do. There was a time I read about black stone in Mecca. I discovered that black stone fell from heaven and that it was white, but because of the sin of mankind, it turned black. Now today, you have black stone attached to the wall of Kaaba. So all Muslims all over the world face that direction to pray. So nobody says Muslims are idol worshippers. Nobody will say that. So why is it that when it comes to Ìṣẹ̀ṣe religion, to Ìṣẹ̀ṣe Yoruba, or African traditional religion in general, when we have something similar, we begin to say they worship idols. So I want you to understand that the concept of religion all over the world is the same concept. So no one is better than the other. We are all the same, right? So we should not look at other religion as inferior. We should not see them as inferior religion, that that one, don't go there, they are bad, they are this and that. It's better to learn about it, know about it before you judge. Especially Africans. I feel so sorry, I feel so sad for Africans who talk bad about African traditional religion. It's so very annoying that you cannot embrace your own thing, your own tradition, your own religion. Very, very annoying to see that our fellow African or my fellow Yorubas talk bad about our ancestral faiths, right? Fine, if it is not organized, maybe as a result of how civilization came and how the foreign religion came into our land, then we now drop the tradition, the African tradition. We left it. We left it for the few people that are still doing it today, up to today. So that's the reason why it's not growing. Anything that is left, that is abandoned, you know what I mean. When something is abandoned, you should know that such thing can never grow or shine, right? So that's the reason. So it's time for us as Africans or as Yorubas to come together. Let us come together and organize our ancestral faith. Let's go back. Let's make it meet up with the international standard or whatever. Let us make it look like what people can embrace, what people can be proud of. So, saying that Yoruba or African traditional believers worship idols is a misconception.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click on the red subscribe button down below to subscribe to my channel free of charge, so that you don't miss anything on this channel. Until we see again, get a better life.